everyone. Today we had our quarterly lunch and learn with the City of Fort Pierce Public Works Department. We hosted our Fleet Maintenance Division. We went all over what fleet maintenance does here for the City of Fort Pierce, everything from police vehicles to garbage trucks to lawnmowers and everything in between. It was a great day. We had a lot of fun and we're looking forward to our next lunch and learn next quarter.
I hope the citizens today realized how much we do in fleet. The conception, the mindset is, well, those are the guys that drop oil and change tires when they wear out. I think everybody walked out of this meeting with a better idea of just how much is involved. We're talking about millions and millions of dollars being spent. We talked a lot about electric cars coming into focus, and they're becoming more commonplace. This next batch of police cars that'll be coming to us that are fixing to get ordered are electric gasoline engines, where the gasoline engine provides the power to charge the electric. We have so many unknowns with electric vehicles, not just myself or my man or the City of Fort Pierce, but the industry in general. There's going to be a learning curve. This city is a large business, and we're looking over every rock to make sure that we're doing it as inexpensively as we can without sacrificing service to our citizens.
If you didn't make it to this lunch and learn, that's okay. We do it every quarter, and we'd love to see you at our next one. For more information, give me a call at 772-467-3795.